Ever grappled with the conundrum of what to cook for a picky eater? Worry no more as we dive into a classic and universally loved dish, the chicken Alfredo pasta. First things first, gather 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta, 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and if you'd like, some fresh parsley or basil for garnish. Kick things off by seasoning the chicken breasts generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then introduce the chicken breasts to the pan. Cook each side for about 6 to 7 minutes, or until they're cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Once done, give the chicken a break and set it aside. Next up, the pasta. Cook the fettuccine according to the package instructions until it achieves that perfect al dente texture. Drain and set it aside. Now, it's time to create that creamy, dreamy Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet you use for the chicken, add minced garlic and cook for about a minute until it's fragrant. Then, dial down the heat to medium-low and introduce the heavy cream, grated Parmesan cheese, and butter. Stir continuously until the sauce thickens and the cheese is fully melted, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Slice the cooked chicken breasts into thin strips and add the cooked fettuccine pasta to the Alfredo sauce, making sure to toss it well to coat the pasta evenly. Arrange the sliced chicken on top of the pasta and garnish with fresh parsley or basil if you like. And there you have it. A creamy, flavorful chicken Alfredo pasta that's bound to please even the pickiest of eaters. It's a comfort food classic that's easy to whip up and can be tailored to suit your preferences. Pair it with a side salad or garlic bread to complete the meal. So, bid adieu to dinner dilemmas and bon appetit.